Hello, welcome to Cordial Kuz. In today's recipe, I will show how to prepare traditional Mangalorean sweet or dessert, bottle gourd kheer or payasam. Here I have taken one tender bottle gourd. This was weighing around 1.3 kg. I am not using the full, taking only half of it. We need to wash, then cut it, peel the skin. After peeling the skin, remove the seeds from the bottle gourd as shown in the video. Middle core can be used for the kheer. So now again I am cutting it into half and making the thin slices out of it. Now these thin slices should be chopped into fine pieces. You can see here the pieces are very fine. Here how thin, how small they are. Okay. Now again, if required, you can wash it and drain the excess water. Then transfer these pieces into a vessel in which you are going to prepare the kheer. To this, now add water just above the level of the pieces. Now add half teaspoon of salt, keep it covered and cook the pieces on high flame till they are soft. Next step is preparing the melted jaggery. Now I am adding around 250 grams of jaggery and 1 cup of water and bring it to boil. So now it's boiling. The purpose of melting the jaggery is this jaggery contains lot of impurities, so that we can strain it and put into the payasam. Next step is preparing the coconut milk. So I have taken coconut. I am adding the elaichi to this and grinding it into a smooth paste. So now this is a traditional way of squeezing the coconut milk. You can do this twice. This is the first coconut milk and the remaining coconut can be again added into the mixie jar, add some water and grind it. Then squeeze the coconut milk out of it. Now you can see the pieces are getting cooked. Now I am going to grind the rice. I have soaked 1 cup of dosa rice for 1 hour. Now I will be grinding it into a smooth batter. Adding the rice batter to the kheer gives a thick consistency to the kheer, as well as it increases the quantity of the kheer and it gives a nice taste too. So now the smooth batter is ready. Add as much as water as possible. Add the water so that till the consistency of the batter is very thin and runny. So now you can see the pieces are cooked and soft. Next step is adding the melted jaggery into this. If the water is excess in the pieces, you can remove it and keep it aside. If required, you can add it later. Now let jaggery and pieces combine well. Again boil the pieces with jaggery for 5 minutes so that the pieces absorb the jaggery and they become sweet. Now after 5 minutes you can see. Now it's time to add the rice batter. Add the batter little by little and keep stirring so that no lump will be formed. And remember to keep the flame on the medium. Keep stirring and bring it to boil. Once bubbles start to appear, we can add the coconut milk. Yeah, now coconut milk I am adding. Keep stirring while adding the coconut milk. While adding the coconut milk, keep the flame on medium, and after that also keep it low until the bubbles start to appear. Do not boil after adding the coconut milk. Now the bottle gourd kheer is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. For the detailed recipe, please check the description box.